guys, welcome back to Scratch. So today I'm going to be doing Fix the Slime Challenge, but blindfolded edition. So basically I have two slimes. I'm going to get some I'm going to pick. I'm going to mix them around, whichever slime I pick. I have a bunch of ingredients. I have shaving cream. I have activators. I really hope I don't get activator. Foam balls. I have some glitter. I have some beads. I have some cotton balls. Not cotton balls. Whatever you call them. And then I have some slime. I'm excited for it, but I really hope I don't get any bad ingredients. So, I have my blindfold. So first off, we're going to be picking which slime I want. Or what slime I get to pick. Okay. So we have this one. It's a nice blue one. It's also really nice blue, but this one's lighter. Okay, so I'm going to put on my blindfold, and then I'm going to mix them up. And then I'm going to choose which one I think I want. I really hope it's a good one. I mean, they're both good ones. I said I don't even know if since I've touched this one. So if it's sticky, then I'm kind of glad. Sorry, that's okay. I'm glad if I got activated. Okay, blindfolds down. Okay. The first one I touched, like after I mixed them around, I had to choose this one. Okay, so let's open up my blindfold. Okay, so I got this slime. It's not bad, but I don't know how it is. So. There's leftovers. Look at that. It foamed up from the edges. Wait. That's so cool. Okay. Okay, let's just pull this out of the container. Jiggly. It doesn't really make bubbles. But it gets all over your hand. It smells horrible. I wish I had scents. I actually think I might have a green tea scent. I got something. Most of my slimes smell horrible because I don't have scents. Then I think I do, but then I don't. Then also I could be completely wrong. I know I had a green tea scent. I just don't know if I have it anymore. That's the thing. It's a bunch of beads. Okay. Where does he even a center? Is it in here? Tell me it's in here. I think it actually might be. Honestly, I wonder. What are these? Glycerin. What is that? I think there's a glycerin in a sentence. So I'm gonna try to pull out what is this. Is there anything else scent related? I have $3. We're gonna get. Where's this? I need a. You can use this to open it. today. I gotta get some scissors. I need help. Okay. Okay. I don't think it's sent. I don't know. I don't think it's sent. I think it's something that goes that way. So we are not going to use that. I really hope I have sent somewhere. Okay. Where is it? Sorry, my phone fell. I know I have it. Is it in here? Tell me it's in here. Wait! What? I thought those were glitters. These are extra glitter bottles. Oh. No sense. I wish I had one. Where is it? No sense. I wish there was. I thought there was. I know I had a green tea set, but I guess there's none. Okay, so we got this really nice blue, not blue, tealish slime with a bunch of glitter. I could put glitter all over your hands. How wonderful is that? So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have about 10 items, so I'm gonna pick about 5. Okay, so we have fun beads, foam balls, shaving cream, some cherry limeade scented activator, confetti activator, slime, these little pom-poms, I don't know how you say it, beads, and blue glitter. So now I'm just going to put my blindfold on to choose. So I'm going to choose 5 ingredients, and we are going to see what I chose, and I have to use those ingredients to fix my slime. So let's get started. Wait, I got a good idea. Hold on, let me get it. This will give a scent to the slime, though. Hand lotion. Hand lotion might give it a scent. Okay. Ready? My folds down. Well, that makes out 11, so... Yeah, I'll still put 5. Okay. My folds down. Okay. I definitely think this is shaving cream, but I'm going to go with this one. Because one of them's really light, one of them's really heavy. I think this is hand wash or hand lotion. I didn't know which one I really grabbed. Oh, this one's hard. Oh, no. Okay, I don't want to get the slime. How many have I picked? 1, 2. 3. 4. 1 more. 5. Okay, let's see what I took. Okay, not bad, not bad. I chose activator. At least it wasn't one of these. These could like melt themselves. Okay, guys. So here's what I got. I got shaving cream. Amazing. I got, what type is this? Yay, it's hand lotion. I was really hoping it was hand lotion. I had hand wash. I didn't think that would very well. So I got some hand lotion to give it maybe a scent and to make it a little softer. I got activator. Do not blame the mess on it. I just mixed out that one day. I got messy. I got pom-pom balls and some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And then 6. Okay. So now I'm going to be fixing my slime. So let's get all my ingredients over to the side. And first, I think I'm gonna start off with some shaving cream or lotion. Lotion first. So I'm gonna start off with some lotion. Just to give it a scent, and maybe the lotion, well, it's already soft enough, but I wanna, this hand lotion does have a scent to it. 3 pumps of that, it's pretty good. It smells weird. I mean, the hand lotion smells fine, but it's just like not a very good, like, oh my gosh, I love this scent. It's like more of like a, I kind of not prefer this. Okay. Do I have any more lotion that smells good? I don't know. Oh. It smells even worse. I have foot cream that's scented. Would foot cream work? Can you add foot cream to slime? Yeah, it's a wonderful foot cream. It smells like blackberries. I think it smells amazing. So we're going to be adding some foot cream to slime today. Scarlet Road tries it. It's so stringy. Why is it so stringy? Okay. It's like a little fire. Oh, I just wrote some. Oh, we didn't start the fire. Oh, song I listened to today. We didn't start the fire. Okay. So, maybe it's like, oh, it kind of is giving this slime, like I said. We didn't start the fire. I don't know what's stuck in my head. Okay. So. But isn't it so satisfying just to see it? Look at it. Oh my gosh. And also, guys, my latest video that I did was my first video. It was 29 minutes. It was 29.00. I tried to end a video at those times, and I did. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's sticky. Okay. Shelby, what are you doing? In my yard. Okay. So, we're just gonna. Actually, I'd be happy for my activator. My hands, they're sticky. They're not sticky, they're just covered in lotion, which I do not like. Oh no, it's starting to melt a little. Okay. So, unless you want your slime to melt a little and become a little sticky, add foot cream. If you don't want it to melt a little and become a little sticky and you don't have baking soda or activator, don't do it. Okay. So, we added lotion. The hand lotion counts as this foot cream, so it still counts, really. Okay. It can still make good bubbles. Okay, so now I'm going to add some shaving cream. That might be too much. I don't know. Okay, oop. Okay, look, so, you see, I have no shaving cream on my hands. Look, I touched the bubble. I have no shaving cream on my hands. Wait. I know this is going to be so satisfying. I was hoping it would come out. Look at this, though. Shaving cream. I love shaving cream. I have no idea why, though, but I just love it. But I don't know, okay. It's like turning lighter. It's so weird because most of these slimes, they like reset the color of what they originally were. So if this becomes lighter, it will like set the color that originally was. It's like the light changing on my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna rub it on. Yeah. Remember, so to add my magical liquid. The drain's kind of happy for it now because it's like didn't really melted, but it made it a little sticky. Okay. Okay, shaving cream is mixed. In. Alright, done with shaving cream. Now I'm going to add in some activator, just a tiny bit. Not a lot. Okay. Just gonna rub. Okay, so now what should I add in? Finish my activator. Polymers or beads? No, it's beads. Probably beads. Okay. Alright, guys. Come on, beads. Come out. Okay. Stop. Sorry, guys, you can remember. Okay. I'll be careful on the ground. Okay, I'm going to do the best swirling presentation I can. I'm trying to take out every single bead because I'm going to top the swirl off with the beads. Like, guys, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Well, not hit that notification bell. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay. So we're just trying right now to get every single bead I have. Oh, come on, there are more. Okay. Fast work here. My dog is barking. This is what she does every time she sees a car. Well, not a car. Every time she sees a person walking up the street. Or a person walking up the street with the dogs. Or any other animal, honestly. She'll bark at anything. She'll really see. She's a different cry. She's very different, like, barks and cries. I don't know. It's weird. Okay. So. Just try to remove every... Now, you go in the container. Okay, we are almost done. Great. They're buried under it. Okay. I don't like how you have to take out every single bead sometimes. And you're like, whatever, we're putting on the beads in. Please be no more beads. Let's do one. Why did I ever regret putting these in there? Are you kidding me? bad. Okay, so now we're going to try to do my best swirl presentation with this horrible. It's like sticky now, which I do not like. Okay. Now. Okay. Sterling tips. Slimers probably and usually go like this to do a swirl, but mostly it helps if you do it like that. I don't know why, but it makes the swirl like completely better. So what I do is I go this side, this side, this side, then this side. Okay? 4, 3, 2. Okay, so now it's gonna melt. We're gonna add in our beads. Okay. Boop. There you go. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna mix. We're gonna mixy. And mix, and there goes one bead already. Okay, so now we're just adding the beads. Now we're gonna add in the pom-pom balls. I want to try something with this. The beads keep falling out. I don't need you to fall out, beads. Okay, I just want to see this. I want to try this. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in a ball. I'm gonna have no bead. Okay, plop, plop. Look at that! Wait, look at it! Look at it. Okay, let's mix it. Mix that back. I should do making a Starbucks drink again. Where did it even go? Where'd the pom-pom go? Where'd the pom-pom go? Where'd it go? Okay. Okay. Wait. Gonna do. We're gonna add a cotton ball, no cotton ball, pom-pom ball, whatever, on top of a bubble. 2, or just 1. Yeah, that actually looks pretty cool. What you doing? Oh, did you see that? That was so cool. Wait, I want to make a swirl. Here we can just leave those in. And then I'm going to add a couple on top. Okay. So, see, I go one. Ready? I go one here, one here, one here. Sometimes I just do this. Okay. You don't believe on my horrible swirl that I'm about to literally make. Boop. There's a heart one. Oh, that's perfect. I need more glue to make Valentine's. I know what I can do. I'm going to transfer slime to make it red. Alright, okay. So, look at this. I transformed it. I didn't really change the color of it, but I added some beads. I added some activator. It worked. It has a nice scent, actually. And with pom-pom balls. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. And with pom-pom balls, it still makes awesome bubbles. Pom-pom bubbles. Do we have a red one? I need a red one right now. Orange, that will work. Okay. There we go. It's like a cherry on the top. Wait, I gotta hide all of these. Like, try to find the pom-poms in slime game. It's like that game. Okay. 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 So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video. Big thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time for my next video. And remember, hit that like button if you liked this video. Considering, look at this nice teal. Not teal. Whatever's that. Okay. Bye guys.